Hello guys, you are welcome back to Larbi Premium Concepts. On this channel, we share educational content ranging from mathematics to accounting. So in this video, we are going to look at how to solve for just ended 2021 Wassce core maths portion. So the aim of this video is to present to students and learners about how to go by the approaches we use in solving basic mathematics portions and also to prepare students for any examination they may engage on. Hello students, you are welcome back to Larbi Premium Consults. So in today's video, we are going to look at Wassce portion 3, and this is the question. So let's read and go through how we solve them. So question 3a, in the diagram is a circle MNPR with center O. The reflex angle at O is 204 degrees. Angle MON is equal to 52 degrees. Find what? N. So we have a reflex angle 204 degrees here, and we have what? Angle M. O. Where is it? Let's see. Sorry, N M O, which is what? 52. So we are asked to find what? The value of what? N. So that's what we are asked to find. So let's see how we can go through in that. So let's stand this so that we have the presentation here, right? So you redraw the diagram again so that you see clearly how it should be done. So I'll redraw it. So we have reflex angle to what? 204 degrees, right? And we have here to be 52 degrees. And we have here to be O, we have here to be M, we have here to be R, we have here to be P, and we have here to be what? N. So let's see how we solve the value of what? M. What is here? M degrees. Right. So with this, you need to identify the properties that will help us to solve this question, to find the value of what? N. That is what we need to understand. So first, you would like to find what value will constitute or which angle will constitute this angle, or which sector. Which angle will be found in this sector. That's what we need to know. So that you can use that to together with other angle to solve for your N. So let's see how we find the angle here. Is that okay? So we realize that one of the properties tells us that if I have angle at the circumference, okay, twice of the angle at the circumference will give me angle at the center. If you remember, that's what we said. Alright, so in doing that, what is the base rule? You realize that we said angles at a point sum up towards 360 degrees. So that is the representation that we have made for x. We said let's here x, so we can say that let angle M OP equals what? X degrees, and that's why we are having it here, okay? But you realize that angles at a point will sum up to what? 360 degrees, okay? So here it becomes X plus angle MOP, which is a reflex what? Angle, right? The reflex angle, and it's going to what? Equal to 360, because we said angles at a point sum up to what? 360. Is that okay? So that is what we need to know. So now, X, I have my reflex angle to what? 204 degrees. So it becomes what? 204 degrees. And it's equal to what? 360 degrees. Okay? So here, you just need to solve for the value of what? X. So if here is positive 204 degrees, when it joins the 360, it becomes what? Negative what? 204 degrees. So what will be the end result then? Therefore, we can say that x will be equal to, so let's see, 360 degrees minus 204 degrees. I borrow one, making here what? 10. So here will give me what? 6. Here is left with 5. Okay, so 5 here, and here is left with what? 3. So 3 taken from 2, now left with what? 1. So I'm going to be left with what? 156 degrees. I believe at this stage we are okay. Right. So that is how we find for the x. So after getting the x, okay, after getting the x, then we can say that twice of angle N P will be equal to angle x what? Degrees. But we said the first property, one of the properties of circle theorem told us that for us to get the angle at the center, it is twice of the angle at the circumference of the circle. Is that okay? That will fetch us angle at the center. So you can say that twice of what? This angle NP will be equal to, I know x is what? 156 degrees. Okay, so I will divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So here, let's move a bit so that we can go to the top here. So let me have it here. So we can say that, therefore, angle MNP is equal to, so half of 156 is going to give me, let's see, even if we were to 150, I'll give me 75, okay, so 6. So making it 78 degrees. 78 degrees. I believe that is right. So you can check your computer and let's whether that is right. So once you're able to get that, now you're able to satisfy what? Here, which is what? 78 degrees. So we can use the approach of what? The sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral. We said the sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral will give us what? 360 degrees. So if I sum up M, if I sum up the angle here, and I sum up here and here, I'm going to get what? 360. Because we have what? The quadrilateral, which consists of what? This is the first line, second, third, and what? Fourth. So you make it what? Four-sided what? Solid shape or polygon. So quadrilateral, we said the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral will give us what? 360. Is that okay? So that is what we need to understand in this case. So now, therefore, I can say that angle M N P plus angle O M N, okay, plus angle, that's the reflex angle, plus the reflex angle, plus M is going to give me what? 360 degrees. It's going to give me 360 degrees in that case. So now once you're able to get that, we said that is how quadrilateral should be. The sum of interior angles of quadrilateral should fetch opposite. So that's what you're going to get for that. So here we are asked to find what? M. We know M, N, and P is what? 78 degrees. So here we're going to what? 78 degrees. I believe that is okay, right? Then we know angle M, O, and N. Sorry, yeah, M, O, and what? Or where should I? O rather. So O, M, N, which is what? 52 what? Degrees. So plus what? 52 degrees. Okay. Plus the reflex angle is what? 204 degrees. 4 degrees. Plus M will fetch me what? 360 degrees. So now, once we're able to get these values down, we add. So 78 plus 52 plus 204 will give me what? So comment your answer in the comment section. Let's see. So let's do that. So 78, 52 plus 204. So let's do that. So in my case, when I added, I had 3, 3, 4. Let's see, you got the same thing. So comment your answer in the comment section and let's see. So plus M, which is equal to what? 360 degrees. So therefore, you can say that M is equal to 360 degrees minus 3, 3, 4 degrees. So therefore, M is equal to what? 26 degrees. So that is the value of what? M. That is the value of M. Others might go by using the triangle by causing a division here. That they create a chord so that they will find the angles at this end, okay? So that they will sum up the interior angles of a triangle and they will get to what? That value. Or you can also go using like the quadrilateral approach and then you can still get M to be 26 degrees. How that's clear, right? So that is it. Okay, so that was just, by the way, question A for question 3. I mean, A part of the question 3 on 2021. So let's move on to the B part. A ladder of length 6.5 meters leans against a vertical wall. If the top of the ladder is 3.6 meters from the foot of the wall, calculate, correct to 2 decimal places, the distance from the wall to the foot of the ladder. So there was what? A ladder, okay, that leans against a vertical wall. Realize, let's say this is the ladder, and if this ladder wants to lean against a vertical wall, go to something like this. Do something like this. I'm going to lean like this. Let me do something like this. That's how it's going to be, okay. So we are going to have a presentation. And they are saying that the length of the ladder was what? 6.5 meters. And then from the top of the ladder is 3.6 from the foot of what? The wall. So let's see how we engage with this presentation when it comes to ladder problem. So first of all, let's have what? Our wall. Is that okay? So let's see how we go by that. So that is the B part. So this is my ladder. My wall ladder. My wall. So now they are saying that a ladder of what? 6.5 meters leans against this wall. Okay. So let's see how it leans against. So when it leans against, it comes something like this. Form a diagonal what? Line. So it comes something like this. Let me take this so that you can see it clearly. Let's see. This is how the ladder leans that way. Is that okay? So it leans against it. So the length is going to be 6.5 meters. Is that okay? So let's continue with it. It says that if the top of the ladder, if the top of the ladder is 3.6 from the foot of what? The wall. So here we're going to go the foot of the wall. So let's say F W. Like, so it means that here is going to be the top of the wall or the top of what? The ladder. You can say T subscript W or slash subscript what? L. I hope that is clear. So that is the top of the wall or the top of what? The ladder. And they are saying that the top of the wall, right, from the foot of the wall or the top of the ladder from the foot of the wall is what? 3.6. Let's see here, 3.6 meters. So it becomes what? 3.6 meters. So that's that length. Okay, so if that is true, then the question is asking us to calculate, correct to 2 decimal places, the distance from the wall, the distance from this wall, okay, from the foot of what? The ladder. So where is the foot of it? So it's saying that the foot of the ladder is going to be somewhere here. Yeah. That is the foot of what? The ladder. From the wall. So the distance in between this and this. That's what we are looking out for in this case. I believe you have gotten value out of this. So let me have this straight away done. So let's say this is a foot, right? The distance between the ladder and the wall. And realize that the ladder is a straight ladder, right? And this one leans against. So we are going to have what? An angle of what? 90 degrees here. That means it's a ladder. So let's say this is the foot of what? The ladder is L. Is that okay? Yes. So let's say the distance between the foot of the wall and the foot of the ladder, let's say, is going to be, let's say, K meters. So that is the representation for the foot of the wall. The distance between, the foot of the wall and then the ladder. So K. But because we are having an angle of 90 degrees here, we can use what? Pythagoras theorem approach to discuss or to solve for the value of what? K. That's the distance between the foot of the wall and the foot of the ladder. So we can say that using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that length T W and FW squared, okay, plus K squared should be equal to length T, let's say TL, that's the top of the ladder, and the foot of the ladder squared. Okay, so that is the Pythagoras theorem approach, right? So now let's see the distance from the top of the wall and then the foot of the wall. It's what? 3.6. So here it becomes what? 3.6 squared plus k squared. So we also know that the distance from the top of the ladder to the foot of the ladder is what? 6.5 meters. So here it becomes what? 6.5 meters squared. Okay, so here it's up to you to break it down. Okay, so I can say that k should be equal to, I have 6.5 here, so it becomes 6.5 squared, and I have here to go 3.6 squared. So when it joins the 6.5 squared, it becomes what? Negative. So negative what? 3.6 squared. So let's go by the squaring approach. Let's go. So here, even if you don't know what to do, let's say you don't have calculator, okay, and you want to simplify it, you can use difference of two squares, and it's still going to work best for you. Is that okay? Right. So we can say that k squared, or let's say k, should be equal to the square root of 6.5 squared minus 3.6 what? Squared. 3.6 squared. So once you get to this stage, okay, you use your calculator to key in this. I mean, square root of 6.5 squared minus 3.6 squared. So let me do mine here. So 6.5 squared minus 3.6 squared. Going to give me, so I have k to be 5.412 and other zeros behind. But then we are told that we have to correct two decimal what? The distance from the foot, from the wall to the foot of what? The ladder. So let me bring it at the top here. So therefore we can say that the distance between the foot of the wall and the ladder should be or is, we can say that here is k, which should be equal to what? 5, or let's say k equal to 5.41 meters, which is what? In 2 decimal place. So that is what we need to do after getting the value of what? Or the distance between the foot of the wall and then the foot of the ladder, which is equal to 5.41. So that is the whole idea. So always you need to have a correct presentation of the diagram, and that will help you to go through the process and solve it, right? So if you get value out of this presentation, make sure to like this video, and then subscribe or subscribe to this channel so that we can get more engagement with people and then help assist them to help them to become good in their mathematical area. So I will see you in the next video where we discuss other questions on Wassce 2021 for mathematical.